Hello, we are the Girl Scouts of Troop 6495, and we are doing our Silver Award project this year. The topic of our Silver Award is marine pollution, and we hope to inspire many people to take action against it.
The Girl Scout Silver Award is a project done by Girl Scout cadets in middle school that will make a long-lasting impact on the community.
So what exactly is marine pollution? Marine pollution is a combination of chemicals and trash that come from land sources and are washed and blown into the ocean. This pollution results in damage to the environment, to the health of all organisms, and to economic structures worldwide. Marine pollution affects many different things, including the ecosystems that surround us and our economy.
Marine pollution can result from many things, such as plastic waste that ends up on beaches and things like oil spills that are caused by the buildup of different chemicals, such as plant fertilizers. This includes single-use plastics, which are plastic items like utensils and plastic cups that are only used once, then immediately thrown away.
There are also many types of marine pollution, including marine debris, oil spills, runoff pollution, microplastics, and garbage patches, just to name a few. Marine debris is trash that has been blown or washed into the ocean, like discarded plastics or lost fishing gear. Oil spills can occur when oil pipes break or when oil spills when transferring it to a ship, and runoff pollution occurs when there is rain or snow that washes chemicals that have built up on the ground into the ocean.
Ocean garbage patches such as the Great Pacific Garbage Patch are large amounts of plastic that have been sucked together in one part of the ocean by a whirlpool-like vortex. These garbage patches pose threats to marine life, such as sea creatures and birds that dive into the ocean to hunt. The debris in garbage patches can be mistaken for food by marine animals, or creatures can become entangled in the trash.
When plastic enters the ocean, it can break into smaller pieces over time. These pieces are called microplastics, and they can be very harmful to the environment, as well as the ecosystems within it. Microplastics continue to break down into smaller and smaller pieces until they are microscopic in size, but they never truly go away. Microplastics can also be very harmful to marine life and ecosystems in the ocean.
So, how does all of this affect us? Studies have found microplastics in seafood, drinking water, and even the air we breathe. Furthermore, many animals can become injured or ill due to plastic debris, which can affect many economies that depend on seafood.
Now, what can you do to help combat marine pollution? Studies have shown that the most effective way to combat marine debris is to stop it from being there in the first place. You can help by reducing the amount of single-use plastics you use in your everyday life, as well as recycling the correct types of plastic.
As our Girl Scout Silver Award project, we are educating others in our community about marine pollution, as well as inviting others to join us in various beach cleanups in upcoming months. It takes all of us to make a change, and we hope you have been inspired to protect the environment that we all share.
Thank you so much for watching.
Please consider liking and subscribing to our channel or sharing the video.